Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to this week's edition of Forex Forecast. I have three currency pairs that are looking very promising this week, okay, and I'm going to share with you in this particular video. Last week I shared with you guys 5 currency pairs. I shared my analysis, and guess what? 3 out of the 5 currency pairs I shared with you guys went just exactly as I predicted, and we've made a lot of money using those currency pairs in the inner circle. And this is something that you can also do. So pay attention to these 3 currency pairs and you can stand a chance to make a lot of money for yourself in the forex market this week, okay? So FOMC minutes statement came out last week and it messed a lot of things in the market, and this week I will probably be trading very lightly. That's why I actually have 3 currency pairs I'm looking at just for this week, okay? And I would actually advise also that you be careful as you're trading this particular week, because it may actually get very messy. So let's start off with Euro GBP. Euro GBP is my first currency pair. Last week I really thought Euro GBP was actually going to fall last week. As of last week, the market was at this level. So I for one, I assumed the market was actually going to be falling pretty this week, but unfortunately that did not happen. We had this market rally all the way from Monday into Friday, okay? But however, my bias on Euro GBP has actually changed, and I'll tell you why that is so. So currently, the reason why I was looking for a sell last week, as I shared with you guys, is because as far as I was concerned, my style of trading, we had this high, we had this low, we had this lower high, okay, and we had a higher low. So provided that we've not been able to break and close above this high, we are still pretty on a downtrend, okay? But unfortunately, we had a break and close on Monday, which was what actually changed my bias, and we had all this high up onto Friday. So my bias has actually changed on this to an option. So I'll be looking for an opportunity to buy this market next week. So I'll be following this up, using both a forward time frame and a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, I'm expecting this market to simply pull back to a Fibonacci level, which would probably coincide with a very key level on forward time frame. So this is what a Fibonacci looks like on a daily time frame, okay? And as you can see, I'm looking for retracement anywhere between the because this is looking like a pretty strong trend. So I'm looking at a retracement anywhere between the 38% and 50%. This market will likely not get to the 61.8% level from my style of trading and my analysis. So we're looking at a retracement at somewhere around this zone or somewhere here. We're looking at a retracement to actually start pushing this market upwards. So anywhere around the zone would actually be my Q zone right here, okay? Any retracement back to this level right here, I'll be looking for an opportunity to actually start buying this market, okay? So that's my bias for this week, okay? Any retracement to this level right here, and if I see a clean resistance here, I would definitely be pushing this market all the way up, okay? So this is something I would love you guys to keep your eyes on. Euro GBP, let's look for a buy opportunity. And as you can also see, I need to show you guys this too. I need to show you guys this. So if you put a moving average, a 20 moving average and a 50 moving average on this, you clearly see that the market has broken and closed below both 50 and 20 moving average on a daily time frame. It has broken and closed above both 50 and 20 moving average on a 4-hour time frame also, and on a 1-hour time frame we are clearly above the 50 and the 20. So the trend right here is actually pretty strong. So possibilities are that this trend will actually likely continue this week up until we get to maybe this level. This level will probably be our next target, okay? Somewhere here will probably be our next target here, okay? So this is where we are actually looking forward to getting to this week after the retracement, okay? So let's move to the next currency pair, which is Euro USD. So Euro USD is another currency pair that I have my eyes on. Last week I told you guys the market was going to fall, which was like a no-brainer, and it felt like pretty well last week. during the week. I told you guys, in fact, I was very specific. I told you guys that the market was going to do a retracement. I specifically mentioned that this market will retrace up until this level. I mentioned it. The video is still on this channel. Go watch it. I mentioned that it will actually retrace back to this level before falling. Okay, and we had that happen on Wednesday into Thursday. We saw this market tanking, and this week also this market will likely also be tanking. Okay, so this is what I have my eyes on. So right now this market has broken and closed below this level, which, as you already know, it's a free fall from there up onto this level I showed you guys last week. So I'll typically be waiting for a retracement to also happen here back to at least this zone. This is my zone of resistance. I'm looking for retracement at least somewhere back to this zone right here. Will be a very good zone for me to actually start selling again. Okay, it's too early to enter. I'm not really a scalper per se, so I would love to enter at the best possible level, which, as far as my trading style is concerned, it's somewhere at about this level. Okay, so even if you put a Fibonacci tool from here, from this level down here, we're clearly seeing that up onto the 61.8% level is this zone right here. Okay, so anything between this zone, any retracement between this zone right here, anything in between this place, I'll be looking for a a setup here. Okay, any sell setup, any form of resistance, I'll see I'm using my favorite candlestick or chart patterns. I'll actually be looking forward to sell this market up until this 1.05447 zone. Okay, so Euro USD, we're still looking for a downtrend on Euro USD. So let's move over to AUD CAD. AUD CAD, I shared, I think it was 2 weeks ago, that the market was going to keep falling up until we get to the 0.8611 zone, and the market is still falling. We have a very good entry opportunity on the 4-hour time frame already. If you put a Fibonacci tool from here, we are already seeing that the market has bounced off the 61.8% level. And also, if you put a key level here, you'll see that this market is sitting at a key level that has been tested multiple times as a support and also as a resistance. Okay, so best bet, this market will likely be falling this week. Another possibility that might happen here is a liquidity grab, because this is a very juicy area for a liquidity grab. So you might possibly see this market rally up above the zone, clear liquidity here, give break and close below this, do the second liquidity sweep before falling. Okay, so these are two possibilities that might happen this week. So if you're not going to do an aggressive entry on this, which the aggressive entry will be just to open a trade probably on Monday morning, just open a sell trade ASAP Monday morning, and hope to actually ride this train down. If this is not your style of trading, you probably have to just wait for the liquidity sweep to probably happen, then break close below, do the second one, make sure that the second one doesn't break and close above this previous one. Okay, then you can actually start selling. That way you get a higher risk to reward for yourself, and it makes all the sense to me to get a 1:3.29 risk to reward, which is really amazing. So that said, those are the three currency pairs I have for you guys. If you want to learn how I do this analysis with ease, how I've been able to make money consistently in the market for the last 4 years, making money consistently. I've been trading the market for over 7 years, and for the last 4 years I've been consistently profitable in the forex market. So we have an opportunity for you to actually join our mentorship program. The Cash Club 500 is an opportunity for you to learn from me and my team of expert traders in the market, making money every single week in the forex market. So the link is on the description. Click that link right now, join our mentorship program. Let's make money. And if you learn something, or even be learning something from this series weekly forecast on our YouTube channel, leave a thumbs up and also leave a positive comment like right now. Give us a comment. Let's catch you guys on the other side. Let's make money together. Cheers.